disappointed in the dirt you gave us. Don't you have something better than that? Now, of course, the Russians have a lot better than that. That message gets sent June 9th in that meeting. It's only days later that Julian Assange announces for the first time he has received the stolen emails. So the picture that is presented now is exponentially more powerful than the one I could present in March. And we still have a lot more work to do in the investigation.
Do you think we'll eventually find that somebody inside the campaign actually helped the Russians, actually assisted their interference in the election, as opposed to just accepting, right, the stupidity of accepting the Russians' help and what the Russians were doing and showing interest in it actually?
I guess I would say a couple of things. First is, what kind of conduct ought to be anathema to the country? What kind of conduct in terms of foreign intervention and U.S. participation ought to be reprehensible?
Should have picked up the phone and called the FBI the first time they walked in.
Well, absolutely. And then the next question is, what's criminal? What rises the level of